Good afternoon and welcome to In Conversation with the County. My name is Maribel Martinez. I'm the Public Information Officer for the County of Santa Clara around COVID-19. Today we have an important announcement that we'd like to share with you, and we do this with heavy heart, knowing that there are many people in our community that are experiencing grief and sorrow. We have decided that for today, we will not continue with our programmed activities for this forum, but instead use it as an opportunity to share some important information and remind you of upcoming events. The In Conversation with the Community will be postponed to a later date to allow for our community to respond to the moment and be able to share information in a manner in which we can better share with you about everything that's going on in the county, including our response to COVID-19. As you may have known by watching the news or listening to the news on the radio, we are heartbroken for our colleagues at VTA. We extend our deepest condolences to friends, family, and community members affected by this tragic event. For anyone looking for information of a family member or someone who you believe might have been involved in the incident at VTA this morning or related incidences, the Family Reunification Center is at 70 West Heading at the Isaac Newton Building, and you can also call 408-299-2311 for more information. VTA has shut down services for light rail through noon, but as I understand, they are now back and running this afternoon. The light rail yard remains an active investigation scene, limiting the availability to provide service. Please be patient with us, with our law enforcement, and VTA during this trying time. As mentioned, due to today's events, the community forum will be postponed till further notice. Thank you so much for tuning in and for continuing to share information in the community. The following slides will give you just a little bit of a recap of some important information that we'd like to share with you at this time. The county now is in yellow tier, and with that, the minimization of telework is no longer required. The social distancing protocol is no longer required, and the local mandatory directive on capacity limitation has been eliminated. This is all part of the blueprint for safer economy by the state of California, as we have now entered into yellow tier. We've also have a new health order in place, the May 18, 2021 order, that requires employers to collect information about their employees' vaccination status. Employees will choose from one of the following options. I am fully vaccinated. I've received my second dose of Pfizer or Moderna, or my single dose of Johnson & Johnson vaccine less than 2 weeks ago. I've received my first dose of Moderna or Pfizer, and my second dose appointment is scheduled. I have not yet been vaccinated, but I have already scheduled an appointment to receive my first dose. I have not been vaccinated, or I decline to answer whether I have been vaccinated. Those are the options that employees will have in terms of sharing their vaccination status. We have an upcoming event next Wednesday, Ask the Doctor. Our call center will be ready to route your call to a doctor who will be available to answer questions about the vaccine and anything else related to COVID-19. Doctors will be available in English, Spanish, Vietnamese, and Chinese. You can reach and ask the doctor a question at 408-970-2999. Again, that'll be next Wednesday, June 2nd from 4 to 7 p.m. Our vaccination site, in partnership with the San Jose Earthquakes, is open this Friday at Overfelt High School from 11:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Those who receive a COVID vaccine will enter a raffle to win an autographed jersey by the San Jose Earthquakes. Please get vaccinated for yourself, your family, and your community. For any information around COVID-19, the vaccine, resources, or where to get an appointment, please visit sccfreevax.org or call 211.